Hello my birdies, how are you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले. In this video, I'm going to share a hair mask for you all, which is made from the ingredient that is present in your kitchen. It's a rice hair mask, guys, and we all know the benefits of rice. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright you guys, take a cup of rice and wash them nicely. In a saucepan, add rice with water and simmer it on a low flame. Keep cooking the rice until soft. Grind it to a paste after it cools down. Add coconut oil, lavender essential oils and mix it well. Apply it all over your hair. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Rice has amino acids which strengthens your hair. Rice moisturizes dry hair and adds a glossy shine to your hair. Repair damaged hair and promotes healthy hair growth. So apply it all over your hair and roots as well. If you want to create smoky eyes, click on the I button above. Now secure the hair with a rubber band and keep it for 2 hours. And shampoo it. Voila! My hair feels so soft and nice. You guys must also try this hair mask. It's very lovely. So this was my step-by-step process as in how to make a rice hair mask and how to apply it as well. I hope कि ये आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. ये हेयर मास्क ज़रूर ट्राई करिएगा and comment section में ज़रूर बताना. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.